Okay, you guys, I am here filming. I have some stuff for Target that I'm doing. In case you guys don't know, that's what this video is about. I wanted to do a life update for you guys. That's why my background is kind of very professional today because I'm on set. And while I was here, I was like, I need to do a life update for you guys because I haven't got to post anything in a while just because it's been so crazy busy. I have not given up on YouTube, you guys. I've just had to take some breaks for a little bit because I've been so busy with Makeup Geek being in Target. We're doing some expansion of stuff. Some other companies are interested in carrying us, so I'm trying to put together a full lineup for them. There's just a lot of professional stuff going on. So I want to tell you what all was going on, but big announcement is Makeup Geek is officially in Target. Yay! You guys know I have always loved Target. There's been many companies that have approached Makeup Geek for many years now wanting us to be in store, and I've always put it off because I didn't want to raise the price point. I wasn't sure if the timing is right. And then when a Target approached us, I was like, hell yes. Because you guys know I love that store. I've shopped there all the time. It's very easily accessible to everyone. And they've been really good to us. They've been so amazing. They brought me out to Minneapolis so I could meet the team and go over what the launch is going to look like. So there's 8 companies total that have all come together, some indie brands that are in Target right now. And we're in 300 stores to start. Next year, it'll probably expand. I can't give you all the details yet because it's really exciting. We just found out some more stuff for that. And there's a couple other stores that we may pop in depending on how the contracts look for them. So that's kind of what's been going on professionally. I've got new team members coming on. We've done a lot of growth in the last year. There's a lot of products coming out. I know I'll do another video later on what happened to Makeup Geek in the last year because I know there's been a lot of talk like, is she selling it? Is it going down or whatever? It's just huge transitions that go in the company. And so we're still here. We're still doing great. Just had our Power Pigment launch, which I'm wearing them right now. They look amazing. And we have some really cool stuff coming up soon. Just give me a little bit of time, you guys. Just be patient with me. Hang on. We're still here. Be with me because the best is yet to come, I promise. So Target is the big thing that we're focusing on right now and some growth into some other retail stores. And then we have some exclusive items that are coming to Makeup Geek, which I'm so excited about. I have the coolest ideas and the formulas are amazing. So please wait for that. And then we have a huge overhaul of Makeup Geek coming out where we'll have tons of new shadows, new format of everything. There's a whole key component education piece to it that I'm so excited. I can't tell you details right now because I know competitors are watching. Watching, guys. I know you're watching, waiting to see what I'm going to do. So I'm not going to give too many details right now. So there's a lot going on with Makeup Geek. And then personally, you guys know I just moved out of LA. My mom thinks I'm crazy. Hi, Mom. Love you, Mom. She's like, you move too much. Every year you move. Like, I know, Mom. But I moved out of LA because it just, for many reasons, the taxes are so freaking high in California. And it just wasn't a healthy place for me as a person. It's just so fast-paced. And because my life is crazy and I travel a lot, I need a place that's peaceful, that's around nature and water. After last year, it's a whole other video later, you guys. I have so many real talks from last year. I can't even, I have videos for years, literally, of just last year alone. But I need balance in my life. And so that was my goal for this year on my vision board was to get work-life balance. And part of that was just getting out of a crazy lifestyle and going somewhere where it's peaceful. So I still fly down here to LA to work. But I have a home in Seattle that's beautiful. It's scenic. My neighbors are so nice, you guys. I don't know if I told you this story yet, but when we moved in, the neighbors the first night came with their whole family. Like, this is my husband, John, and this is my 3 children. And they all were, around the steps, and they brought food. And they're like, we made you homemade food and homemade baked cookies. I was like, oh, my gosh. And then while they were standing there, the neighbor on the other side had her daughter so cute on her little scooter, and they brought other homemade cookies. I was waiting for cameras. I'm like, is this real? What is going on? They were so nice. So that's the kind of environment I just need for my personal life right now. So we did move, and yes, I do have a boyfriend. I didn't race into it. Everyone's talking about, oh, she turned around right away. That was fast. He and I'm not going to get into it. I'm not going to expose him or say his name or any of that stuff. We've been friends for a long time, and we never, ever thought we would ever date. I won't get into details because it's my personal life, but I did want to just say I'm in such a better place. And just over time, we ended up dating, and he's such a good fit for me. It makes me so happy. And I just never would have thought, I'd never looked at him in that way. But now that we're together, he's the best person ever. So I'm so, so happy in a much better place in life. And then Geez, I have a lot of updates for this video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I got another dog baby. Her name's Lexi. She's a little shiznit. I love her to pieces, but she's so unlike Lady. Lady's like the chill, like, I'm good, I'm gonna sit over here and watch. And Lexi's like, look at me, whatever. She's crazy. She takes after her mama, actually her grandma. Mom. She's cute. She's 4 months old now. And she's a Cavalier also, and long story short, Lady is actually her biological great aunt. So they're from kind of the same bloodline, super sweet family that we got her from, and she's the best thing. Like she is crazy, but she is such a good companion for Lady. So they play together. Lady's not as sad anymore, and so she has someone to have fun with. So we have Lady and Lexi. Trying to think what else is going on. Mom's dating. She's going to be mad that I told that. So mom's having a great life. I'm trying to convince her to move up to Seattle, but she's staying in California for now. So we'll see if I have grandchildren for her. If that happens, then mom will probably move. Marsté. Marsté is going to launch. It was supposed to launch in June, but because of the Target stuff and me trying to get settled with moving and a lot of other pieces, I moved out the launch to August 30th. So Marsté will launch soon. The website is done. We have a lot of the imagery done. It's going to be so amazing. I'll do a totally separate video on that for you guys. I'm actually going tomorrow to the factory to film behind the scenes so you guys could see the fair working environment that goes on for it. I think you guys know by now that Marsté is a fashion line, which I'm so excited about. I won't give you all the details because I want to save it for a very special video, but it's all inclusive. Every body shape, every body size. It'll go from size 0 to 22 to start. I'm hoping to expand it to higher sizes after that, but just because of budgetary reasons, that's the size range I'm starting. So it goes up to size 22, but the fabrics are amazing. It's fair trade. The working environment is incredible. There's a huge charity aspect to it. So I said I wasn't going to go into details. I'm going to stop there. You guys have to wait for another video. I'm not telling you anymore. But that launches soon. I'm really excited about it because it's just such a passion of mine, and I'm not going to get teary-eyed and talk about it. So just stay tuned for that. So that's launching soon. What else is going on? What am I missing? Try to remember. New dog, new home, new business, new man, new everything. Same body, same old body. Nothing new there. Maybe soon. I don't know. Anyways, everything's new this year, but 2018 has been such a huge transition year. Looking back at 2017, I'm like, dang, how did I get from that year of horrific crap to this year that is so exciting and so much better? It's a huge change. So I'm in a much better place. I'm trying to get healthier again. Obviously, I still have weight to lose, but my stress levels are already starting to come down. So now I can focus again on getting healthy and having balance in my life and everything, because for a while I just wasn't in a healthy place in any aspect of my life. I was just running like a hamster in a hamster wheel as usual, typical Marlena style. So anyways, that is kind of the update for now. So I will link below for you guys if you want to see what stores we're at Target. So huge accomplishment for Makeup Geek. I'm so excited. We brought so much traffic in for them. We sold out of our eyeshadow palettes in 2 days online. 2 days. So it was really cool for Target. They're really excited. So it's a good collaboration between us. I'm really excited. I'm a huge Target fan now. Love you, Target. Love you. Anyways, you guys, take care. That's my life update for now, and stay tuned for lots of exciting announcement coming soon. So I may not be able to post as regularly, but I'm still here and I have lots of stuff working on, so don't go anywhere. Bye, you guys.